Hello and welcome to Unmatched Value. Today we have a list of 10 coolest gadgets for your room. This includes gadgets that can light up your room, gadgets that'll keep it secure, and gadgets that'll keep you entertained. Links for all the products can be found in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. The first gadget we have is this floating light bulb. Now I don't know about you, but for me, floating items have always produced a sense of awe and wonder in some ways. I think it has something to do with the futuristic feel of it all. What is especially cool about this light is there's no need for a battery or wires of any kind to be attached to the actual floating bulb. The power is transmitted wirelessly and the on-off switch transmits the signal wirelessly too. Naturally, the bulb is LED, so it's energy efficient and rated for 50,000 hours, so you could potentially spend 12 hours a day staring at it for the next 11 years. Now that's a worthwhile investment. This would also make a great gift for that one person in your life that already has everything. Next up on our list is the smart lock door handle. This can be used if you are renting a room or for the front door of your house or apartment. The convenience this brings is amazing. You no longer have to worry about losing your keys. This lock has so many different ways of opening it, you would have to try really hard to get locked out. If you forget your password, you can open it with a fingerprint. Burned off all your fingerprints because you're considering a life of crime? You can use the remote phone access feature, Bluetooth, badge, or NFC. Battery dies on the lock, you can still open it with an old-fashioned key you have hidden away. This lock also comes with many features, like a temporary password. If you need to let someone in when you're not home, simply set a time and date when the password is valid, and whoever you want to let in can get in at that time. After that time, the password becomes invalid. If you have a smart home system such as Amazon Alexa or Google, you can use voice commands to unlock the door. No more getting out of the comfortable chair to let those annoying guests in. Another cool feature is this auto locks. No more worrying about whether you forgot to lock up the house or not when you're halfway to work. Also, if someone tries to get into your room or house without your knowledge, after too many failed attempts, the system will deactivate for 15 minutes and send you an app alert. Next on our list is a way to brighten your room. This awesome looking bedside lamp with Bluetooth speaker and wireless charger features a comfortable stepless dimming switch. Gentle light emanates through a cherry wood shade. It also helps clear your room from the clutter caused by charging wires. Since we are talking about lights, our next item is also a tree light, but this item went more literal with the whole tree light idea. This light can run off of either USB cable or battery power. The tree lighting consists of high-quality LEDs and copper wire, using low energy amounts. This would also make a great gift, or buy it for yourself and impress your friends. So I'm assuming you bought the last item and now you're waiting for your friends to arrive so they can be impressed with how awesome you are? Well, our next item can help you pass the time while you wait. This magnetic hourglass is an interesting gadget that is fun to watch and pass away the time. Although the design is very simple, it still manages to capture our attention. Now, if your friends still haven't arrived because you forgot you didn't have any and you're starting to panic, fear not, we have something to calm you down. This incense fountain should do the trick. Take a deep breath and watch the smoke flow down the mountain. Incense flavors are readily available online, so you can pick your favorite. Keep one thing in mind though, this will not work in a drafty location as smoke will not flow the proper way. This DIY metal cathedral is the next item on our list. If you like puzzles and putting things together, this is the item for you. You will enjoy assembling it, and in the end, you will have a cool piece of decor in your room. Throw a light inside and you have the coolest night light ever. This next item on our list is also a DIY put-it-together-yourself decor piece. Although this one might not be for everyone, I'm sure there are some people out there that will find this cool and fascinating. This is a challenging and fun puzzle that requires patience to assemble. It takes about 5 hours to be complete. It comes with instructions, no glue or batteries needed. Just put it together with screws. Up next is this Battle Royale nightlight. This would make a great gift for your kids, or if you're into Battle Royale, keep it for yourself, we don't judge. Regardless of how you plan to use it, this will make an excellent addition to any gamer's room. With so many different characters to choose from, you're sure to find the one you like most. Last but not least, we have this Nanoleaf canvas light. If you're creative and you want something that's unique to you, this light is for you. You can design it in different shapes and forms, from standard and practical to unique and eye-catching. There are many features to this light. It has a built-in rhythm module that reacts to music of all genres in real time. It senses audio and transforms it into color and light for a stunning real-time audio-visual display. It can also mirror your screen. Watch as your on-screen activity is reflected onto your Nanoleaf canvas. With its drill-free install and app-controlled interface, this would make a great addition to any room. We hope you have enjoyed this video and found something of interest for you. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe so you can catch our next video. Have a great day, and we hope you'll join us next time.